Good morning. It is currently 9:38 a.m. and we are preparing to go to a walkover at the Ben Franklin Bridge. So apparently they are going to be closing down the bridge today from, I believe, 10 to 5, and you can walk the bridge from Philly over to Camden, and I think there's going to be a bunch of like a little festival or something going on. So yeah, we're just gonna see what this is all about. And luckily it is not scorching hot today. It's like in the low 80s. So. How you doing today?
I'm good.
What are you about to do?
Walk the bridge.
It is hot down here. So we are waiting for the last train to head over to, I think, 2nd and Market. And then we're gonna, no, 2nd and, I think 2nd and Market. I don't know. I'll just let you guys know when we get there. So mean.
Today we're getting ready to go ahead and take a walk across the Ben Franklin Bridge. I believe this is something that's getting ready to happen. It won't happen until the next 25 years, if I'm not mistaken, and everything. And so we'll see how it turns out.
And I mean,
It is super muggy. Like it's not like the sun isn't shining, but the humidity is still very much present. So we made a quick pit stop at Dunkin'.
hey, how are you?
Feathering the seed, keeping it in.
See all the people. So you can't take, from what it looks like, I don't think you can take bikes over. I think everyone has to park their bike and then walk over because there's a huge area behind us full of bikes. I could be wrong, but there's not really any room to ride a bike, to be honest, because there are thousands of people. Here we go, y'all. Again, this
got a little bit ahead of you guys. It's just me and my normal walking. I don't want y'all to think that. Oh, I apologize.
We can't walk slow because everybody behind us gonna trample over.
I got the whole work. I'm going to work, walk out mode going. I'm gonna try to keep it under control. I'm gonna try.
So, the pedestrian walkway is up above.
Yes.
So on
Yes,
a normal
it is.
day, you can still walk across it.
Yep. Okay. Then you can see the look at the river.
That's what I want to
Beautiful
do.
up there. Yep. Still tasting it though.
All right, so we got across the bridge, and over here in Camden, they have a bunch of tents set up and food trucks. They did not have this set up over in Philly, which I'm a little disappointed, but Jersey welcomed us over with lots of love.
That was a nice walk.
That was a great walk.
Yes, it was. Got to exercise the calf muscles.
All right, so this is the Jersey side, and we are gonna head back across the bridge. But like I said earlier, Jersey's having a little like get together over here. This is the toll station. If we were driving over, you gotta pay your toll. You gotta pay your toll.
You go in your little fanny pack.
I'm bringing no money. I'm with you. I did not write no money on me.
I ain't bring no money either. Pay by plate.
Pay by plate.
You got the plate. Yeah, no. See, you knew exactly where we both were going with that.
They gotta carry this shit out like it ain't funny. Yes, oh my god.
Look.
All right, and there is the Ben Franklin Bridge from Jersey side. Wake up. Not sure where they went. I don't know. Sorry. So we are done walking the bridge. It was really fun, but it took a lot out of everybody. So now we are at Dave & Buster's, and we're just gonna finish our evening here, grab some drinks, some food, play some games, and just enjoy ourselves. Shy is tired. So he decided to pull an all-nighter, and I told him we had to get up at, be out of the house between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. He wanted to pull an all-nighter, and now he is beat. So the cool thing is, at the parking lot here, the parking garage, parking was $30, but you get a $10 coupon to use on food and drinks here. So that was pretty cool. How you feeling?
Relieved.
Yeah.
You chose case number 2. Now open 5 cases.
All right, so let's do 5 cases.
Great choice. 10. Let's see some lowdown.
All together? That's me. All together.
Yeah, how was the day so far?
Very, just a very pleasant. There was a lot of walking. There was a lot of dealing with the heat. Dealing with a lot of people. It was a lot. But we managed, I managed. It was a lot. It was a lot. Yeah, it was a lot. And here we are right here, right now. Yeah, I beat.